Hi, it's Elder, and in this video I will share with you some simple steps you can take to improve the search engine optimization of your website. So search engine optimization, or SEO, is what we can do to help Google and other search engines to find and index our website and basically show it to the people who are looking for different things online. I'm not a SEO specialist myself, but I have been doing a lot of research and there are a few things I have been doing for my websites over the years, so I thought it would be cool to come up with a series of videos covering the simple SEO for beginners. So there will be 12 videos in total, including this one. And if you are the Blogsmaster student, you can already watch all of these videos in your dashboard. And if you watch this video on YouTube, I will be actually sharing some of the videos here on this channel for free. So subscribe if you haven't already and stay tuned for next video. Without further ado, let's get to the step number 1, which is keyword research. And keyword research is what we can do to find the right words to use on our website to help people find the content we are providing to them. And there are a few options, a few services we can use to do keyword research. And in the next video, I will show you how we can take advantage of free tools like Google Trends or even just Google search engine to come up with a list of useful keyword research for our website. The next step is to write compelling title and meta description for our website. And this step is actually very important because the person is going through the Google search result page and the first thing they will read about our website is the title of the page. And if it is not good, they will just scroll down to another website. And the next step will be to structuring the content of our page so it is easy for visitors to read and it is easy for Google robots to index. And we can do that by using the headings. From H1 to H6, we have a number of headings we can use to structure the page that it is easy to go through, and well, it will make our page look good and it will improve the search engine optimization as well. Another important step is to optimize the images, and I'm not only talking about optimizing the size and weight of the images, which is important of course, but I'm also talking about optimizing the file names for the images or providing the alternative text tags, which is also very important and very helpful when it comes to indexing our page and our images, and it plays a big role in search engine optimization. And after that, of course, we need to optimize the page links or URLs. And there are a few things we should avoid, for example, using unrelated words or random numbers. And there are a few things we should do. For example, try to include the keywords if possible, or make the URL short and descriptive. And then when it comes to off-page SEO, we need to concentrate on building the powerful backlinks. And the basic principle behind building backlinks is very simple. It's basically placing the links, your URLs to our website on some other authoritative and respectable website. And the more backlinks we have, the better it is for SEO of our website. The next step will be to concentrate on content marketing or blogging, which I believe is still one of the best, if not the best, ways to market a website in 2019. Because content marketing is very helpful when it comes to keeping our website dynamic and keeping the content on our website fresh. And I think it's really crucial these days to have a blog. So if you don't have it yet, you should add a blog to your website as soon as possible and start producing quality content on a regular basis, and it will hugely improve your search engine optimization. And the next step will be using the services from Google, starting this Google Search Console, which is basically the service Google provides to help us optimize the search engine performance of our websites. We can verify our website, we can request to index some individual pages on our website, which is useful when we, let's say, updated one of the pages and want to re-index it as soon as possible. So We can use Google Search Console for keyword research as well, and some other things which we will talk about in the future video. And the next step is to generate a sitemap and submit it to search engines. And to submit it to Google, we can actually use Google Search Console. And I will show you how we can easily generate the sitemap in blocks. And then I will show you how we can easily upload it to our server and submit it to Google. By submitting the sitemap, we will help search engines to faster index our page and actually keep our page updated and fresh all the time. And another tool we should use is Google Analytics, and it is a free service from Google which allows us to track and analyze the performance of our website. And there are many things we can do with Google Analytics. We can analyze the traffic sources, we can analyze the content, we can see what is popular, what is not doing very good. We can even use it for keyword research and so many other things. And the final video of this series is about using the htaccess file, which I'm using for a few different purposes. For example, I use it to fix the broken links, to fix the missing page errors, or to enforce the secure HTTPS version of our website. I will show you how we can easily create this file and edit it to achieve our goals. So these are some things we can do to improve the SEO of our websites. And I know that it is not everything, and there are some other things we can do, but I think that it is a good mix of simple steps anybody can take to start optimizing the SEO performance of your website. So that's it for this video, and starting from the next video, I will explain in detail everything I told you about in this video. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.